Which window design is right for your home to remodel? Are you planning a home remodel and looking for the perfect window design? You're in luck. There are so many options available that can transform your home into something truly special. From classic and traditional to modern and contemporary, there's no shortage of beautiful windows that can add style and value to your space. Today, we'll explore some of the top window designs for home remodeling. Double-hung windows. Double-hung windows offer a classic look with modern functionality. This type of window features two sashes, the part of the window that moves, that slide up and down. They are one of the most popular types of windows as they provide ventilation while still allowing light to come in from multiple angles. Additionally, double-hung windows are easy to clean since they tilt inward at an angle when open. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged on one side, which allows them to open outward like a door. This type of window is great for hard-to-reach areas where you need extra ventilation, such as above kitchen sinks or over counters in bathrooms. Casement windows also have handles that make them easy to open and close, adding a touch of convenience to your remodel. Sliding windows. If you want to maximize your view without compromising on style, sliding windows might be the perfect choice for you. These horizontal opening windows feature two or more panes that glide along tracks for ease of use. Plus, sliding windows come in a variety of sizes, colors, styles, and materials, making it easy to customize them for any space or design aesthetic you want. No matter what kind of remodeling project you may be undertaking in your home, be it large or small, choosing the right window design can make all the difference in terms of style and functionality. With so many amazing options available today, from double-hung to casement to sliding, there's sure to be something just right for your needs. Consider these top designs when making decisions about your next home remodel project. They will help you get the best results possible. Thanks for watching.